If you had 1 minute to train a new trader on trading strategy, not risk management or anything else, what would you teach them to give them the best chance at success? The easiest way to get started in trading, the first thing you want to do is you want to go on a higher time frame, because if you're on a lower time frame, you're going to have a bunch of noise, all this up and down. You want to go on a higher time frame, for example, the daily, and you want to look for the major swings, the major pivots. What is a swing or a pivot? It's where the price action changes direction. And you want to put the magnitude on and also your horizontal rate. What we're doing is we're identifying the highs and the lows. So just by looking at this, the highest point is here using the candle body closes. Then we go to the lowest point. Let's just say here, because this is the lowest point. We can do the lowest point here. So this is our range high, range low, mid range. So now we're kind of seeing where the price action can go within this range. So whenever you're trading, it's extremely important to be able to identify a swing. And you don't want to identify all these little baby swings, because this is all just noise. This is called internal structure. You don't want that. You want to go to the highest points and the lowest points. The more touches you get, the stronger the support resistance. Throughout the entire chart is nothing but support resistance. And what you want to do is you want to enter the trade once the candle breaks above your resistance, depending on your risk tolerance. I know I'm over a minute now. If depending on your tolerance, depends on what time frame you enter. If you want to be a safer trader, you have the candle close on a higher time frame. For example, the 1 hour, 4 hour, daily time frame. If you want to be higher risk, well, then you can do it on a lower time frame, a 15-minute or a 5-minute. And that's the beginning of trading. How long was that? 2 minutes? Dang it. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. Like, it's super important. Now, if you're in the VIP, I have videos that are 3, 4, 5 minutes long on average. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would offer the free group, but it's already full. I have a huge wait list. So more than likely, if I do let 3 or 4 people go, the spots are filled. Not only that, but when people do sign up for the VIP because they're making money in the free group, I am very, very invested to make you money in this free group so you can get the VIP. When those people leave the free group and get into the VIP, well, there's just so many more people that are trying to take their spot. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're going to make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money.